In today's fast-paced, productivity-obsessed world, countless individuals hustle day in and day out, yet continue to live paycheck to paycheck. They work overtime, take on side gigs, and try their best to save a little here and there. But despite all the effort, they remain financially stuck. Why is that? The answer isn't simple, but it is deeply rooted in systemic issues, psychological conditioning, poor financial education, and modern consumer culture. This video explores the reasons why people stay broke no matter how hard they work, and what they can do to break the cycle. You're trading time for money. Most people grow up learning to exchange time for money. This is the foundation of the job-based income model. You work an hour, you get paid for an hour. While there's nothing inherently wrong with this, it has a limit. There are only so many hours in a day. When you rely solely on trading time for money, your earning potential is capped. Even if you work 60 hours a week, you're still limited by the time available. To truly build wealth, income needs to be decoupled from time. This is where passive income, investments, and business ownership come into play. Lack of financial education. Schools rarely teach students about budgeting, investing, credit, or financial planning. Without a strong financial foundation, people enter adulthood unprepared to manage money. They end up making decisions based on emotions, habits, or societal norms instead of financial logic. Not understanding how interest works, what debt really costs, or how to build credit can lead to lifelong financial struggles. Financial literacy is one of the biggest factors that separates those who build wealth from those who constantly struggle. Living above your means, it's easy to fall into the trap of lifestyle inflation. When people start making more money, they start spending more. They upgrade their car, rent a bigger apartment, or take on more subscriptions. Before they know it, their expenses catch up with their income, or even exceed it. This is especially true when credit cards are involved. The illusion of having money allows people to make purchases they can't really afford, digging themselves deeper into debt. Over time, the interest on that debt compounds, making it even harder to get ahead. The debt is one of the primary reasons people stay broke. Whether it's student loans, car loans, credit card debt, or personal loans, interest payments can eat up a significant portion of your income. You may be making regular payments, but if the interest keeps accruing, it feels like you're on a treadmill going nowhere. Paying the minimum balance on a credit card, for example, can result in paying double or triple the original amount over time. The key is understanding the cost of borrowing and working to eliminate high-interest debt as quickly as possible. Lack of emergency fund. Emergencies are inevitable. Whether it's a medical bill, car repair, or sudden job loss, unexpected expenses can throw your finances into chaos. Without an emergency fund, many people resort to using credit cards or loans to cover these costs, pushing them further into debt. Building an emergency fund of at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses is crucial to breaking the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. It provides a buffer and prevents small setbacks from becoming major financial disasters. No long-term financial plan. Many people go through life without a clear financial plan. They focus on surviving the week or month, but never think 5, 10, or 20 years ahead. Without goals, it's easy to drift financially and miss out on opportunities to build wealth. Creating a long-term financial plan that includes saving, investing, and retirement goals can provide direction and motivation. It also helps prioritize spending and avoid impulsive decisions. Not investing. A savings account is safe, but it won't make you rich. With inflation averaging 2 to 3% per year, the value of your money decreases over time if it's just sitting in a bank. Investing allows your money to grow and compound over time. Whether it's in stocks, real estate, or mutual funds, investing is one of the most powerful tools for building wealth. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Underestimating inflation. Inflation quietly erodes your purchasing power. What cost $100 10 years ago might cost $140 today. If your income doesn't rise with inflation, you're effectively getting poorer each year. That's why relying solely on wage increases isn't enough. You need to grow your money through investments that outpace inflation. Poor money habits. Many people stay broke because of ingrained habits, impulse spending, lack of budgeting, failure to track expenses, or ignoring financial responsibilities. Changing habits is hard, but it's essential. Using budgeting tools, tracking every expense, and setting financial goals can create a new, more disciplined approach to money. Keeping up with the Joneses. Social pressure is a powerful force. Seeing friends and influencers flaunt luxury lifestyles can create a false sense of what normal is. To keep up, people stretch themselves financially, often buying things they don't need with money they don't have. True wealth is not about what you show, but what you save, invest, and grow over time. Learning to live below your means, regardless of what others are doing, is crucial. Job insecurity and low wages. Many hardworking individuals are simply underpaid. Wages have not kept up with the cost of living in many countries. Meanwhile, job security is becoming more fragile with automation, outsourcing, and economic shifts. This makes it more important than ever to diversify income streams through side hustles, freelancing, or entrepreneurship. Relying on one income source. When your entire livelihood depends on one paycheck, you're financially vulnerable. A job loss or pay cut can cause immediate financial stress. Developing multiple income streams, even small ones, can provide stability and opportunities for growth. This might include freelance work, digital products, investments, or even rental income. Victim mindset. Believing that you're destined to be poor or that wealth is only for others can sabotage your financial progress. A victim mindset can prevent people from taking action, learning new skills, or pursuing higher-paying opportunities. Shifting to a growth mindset, believing you can learn, improve, and create a better future is essential for long-term success. Overdependence on government or employer. Expecting a pension, social security, or employer benefits to take care of your future can be risky. These systems are often underfunded or may change due to economic conditions. Taking personal responsibility for your financial future through private savings, insurance, and retirement accounts puts you in control. Not learning high-income skills. Hard work is important, but working smart is even more crucial. If you're putting in 60 hours a week at a low-paying job, you may still struggle. Learning high-income skills like coding, sales, marketing, or digital design can drastically increase your earning potential. The digital age has opened up countless opportunities for people to learn new skills online and monetize them. Take advantage of it. So that's it for today. If you liked this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.